Today I have another look for you with the Natasha Denona Pastel palette. I'm going to be using it again as a pairing palette together with the ColourPop Rock Candy palettes. Similar shades as the last look that I posted. In this look I'm going to be using Brisk, Mint Frost. Yeah, just those two from this palette. And from this palette I'm going to be using I Dig You, So Tough, Hotspot, and that's it. That's it from this palette. And probably a matte highlight for the inner corner and brow bone, just, I don't know, I'll grab it from somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to start off with I Dig You, this grayish matte taupe. And I'm going to apply that all over the lid, up into the crease. That shade takes a long time to blend. Ugh, blended enough, hopefully. I'm just going to grab a matte highlight. What is this? ABH Blink. Then I'm going to use So Tough to kind of deepen the inner part of the lid and the outer crease. This shade's also kind of hard to blend, and it's not hard to blend, it's hard to apply evenly. Oh, that brush is too big. Okay, whatever. I need to do the outer crease. Oh, hopefully I can do this evenly. Okay, I'm going to use the topping. I'm going to use the topper shade now. I'm going to use this shade now, Mint Frost. The gray eyeshadow looks kind of patchy, but it doesn't matter because I'm putting this shade on top, so it'll kind of, it won't be so noticeable. I'm bringing that shimmer up past the crease here. I'm going to take some of that gray and put that here on the outer lid. I feel like I don't have enough there. So there's the fallout from that shade. There's some fallout, a fair amount. I did use kind of a lot of that shade though, so I'm not surprised. I'm going to use Brisk again all over the lower lash line. And I'm going to use a nude liner on the lower waterline. I have a little bit of redness here, so I'm going to use that matte highlight that I used earlier here. From the ColourPop palette, I'm going to use this matte black again, the way I use it very frequently. I'm going to use it on the lash line, and then I'm going to use it as like a little bit of a wing on the lower lash line too. And this time I'm not going to fight the transfer. I'm going to let it transfer to this part and emphasize it some. Oh, that wing came out kind of wonky. Okay, we're going to move on to the lower lash line. So some of that eyeliner has transferred. I'm going to add even more. And then I'm going to add some on the outer part here. So something like that. Oh, not coming out very clean. I did much better the first time I did this. Now we have fallout. Okay, that shade's not working. Let me look for something else. Ugh, 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 it just keeps getting worse. It just keeps getting worse. Well, this is not quite how it came out the first time. I'm going to add a little bit more of this mint here. Okay, what else did I do? Is that about it? That's about it. Okay, let me fix the waterline. There's more transfer. Running into all kinds of issues today. Yeah, I don't know. You get the idea. I really would like to, from now on, not redo looks and just film them the first time, and however they come out is how they come out. So here's the finished look with both eyes done. I ran into some issues with this one. I'm going to show you this eye because it's a little bit better than the other one.